What you see behind me is a build that is made by one guy all by himself at home. This is Black Rumble, a machine designed and developed by Anand all by himself as a project car which he could take to college shows and have good fun. Now the setup and layout of this car is very interesting, where this entire space frame developed in CAD by Anand himself, and then he's mounted an engine at the back. This is a 1300cc G13B engine from an Esteem, naturally aspirated, putting down close to about 80 to 85 horsepower. Now since the engine is at the back, the transmission linkages are completely opposite to how they were on an Esteem. What he's done is he's made a custom set of linkages which make sure that the shifting pattern still remains the same, and how this machine has been set up is completely unique. You have a set of pushrod suspensions that are fully custom made, and the same goes at the back, where the lower arms have been custom made by Anand while combining it with the stock suspensions from the Esteem. And to give it more stability, it's got anti-roll bars both rear as well as front, and the mountings have adjustability. In fact, Anand has built a custom engine management system for this machine as well, where in the launch control mode, this car can be set for a launch between 2000 to 4000 RPM depending on what you want. And in the other setting, the RPM goes all the way up to 6000 RPM till it's cut off. This car uses a larger radiator which is mounted under this sheet to give that engine better cooling. And as you can imagine, this car is a mix of a lot of custom parts. Now with the engine set at the back and the power going to the rear wheels, this car is a rear engine rear wheel drive, which makes Anand do stuff like this. Like honestly, if you gave me all these parts ready like a Lego, I would still have no clue what to do with it. So hats off to Anand and guys like him who actually have the talent and the raw engineering skills to build something like this all by themselves. What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section.
Come join us to witness the coolest cars from across India on February 7th and 8th, 2026 only at Generation Speed.